Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you what is a sales funnel and how does a sales funnel can help your business grow. No matter you are in insurance, you are in network marketing, you are business owners selling products, selling services, or you are a coaches, consultant, trainer, this video is going to benefit you. Hey, this is Kamin Choo here. I help business owner and entrepreneur like you build a lead generation system that generates you unlimited leads. Consider subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any important video like this. Alright, so what is a sales funnel? You probably hear that a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of business owners, they are using a sales funnel instead of a website, right? So let me break down for you what is a sales funnel real quick. So I want you to imagine this. A website is like you entering a physical store and you can browse for a lot of things. But for a sales funnel is a different thing, alright? Sales funnel is like you entering to the store and you go to the specific area. Let's say if you are looking for a supplement, then you go to the supplement area, and then there is someone serving you. Someone said, hey, Mr. and Miss, how can I help you? Would you like to take a look at this? So this is something that supplement that can help you get X amount of results. So these are just an example, right? Let's move to online world, alright? That just now what I've shared with you is an offline, alright? As for online, I want you to imagine this. If you go to a website, you can see a lot of pages. We got home page, about us page, contact us page, a lot of pages, right? But I want you to take a look at sales funnel, right? Sales funnel is just a one simple page, explain the summary of everything, alright? So remember this, a confused mind will always say no. If you are selling your product through a website, there are too many information, your customer, your prospect confused, so they will not buy. Alright, most of the time, even if they buy, the conversion is much lower compared to a sales funnel. Sales funnel, they highlight all the important things about the product. Alright, listen to me, the product, not the products. Right, it's only one product. Either it's one product or it can be a bundle of product, right? So it's just one specific focus only, alright? Because their goal is to focusing on selling that specific products, alright? Mr. Kamin, if I have a lot of product, which product should I sell? I always say pick the best and sell the best, because your sales funnel is going to promote the best product to your customer, alright? This is not a stock clearance, alright? If website is more suitable for stock clearance, but if you are using a sales funnel, it is specifically to help you sell that product more, alright? Not only that, if you're really good at sales funnel, right, what you can do is, it's like a McDonald's, right? Let's say if you take a purchase on a burger, and then not just a burger, right? They will continue asking you, hey, would you like to increase the size or not? So it will become a large size instead of regular size. It just add on an additional $1. So by doing that, it will increase the profit of the business without acquiring new customer. You can see how powerful it is, alright? So that's why it's very important to understand a sales funnel, right? Remember this, a sales funnel is like a one page. It only have one specific focus on one thing. At the end, maybe they got upsell, right? Upsell is where they request to upsize or upgrade, alright? So upsells, it can just be one upsell, it can be a lot of upsell as well. For me, I usually use 2-3 times upsell in one offer. For sales funnel, it's designed to sell more for you, alright? Website is designed for you to build your personal branding. It's designed for you to browse, alright? But it's not designed for sales, alright? So that's the difference between website and sales funnel. And should you get a sales funnel? My answer is yes. No matter which stage, which level you are, yes. I highly recommend you go and use funnel. If you want to know what software I use to create a sales funnel, I will put the link in the description box below so you can see what software that I'm using. And also I will give you my template of the funnel. So after you register the account, then you can click another link in the description so you can download multiple funnels that I prepared for you. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found this video is helpful, what I want you to do is I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to connect with me on Facebook and LinkedIn, right? I will see you in the next video.